Next is the Magalia skirt. Sorry. Hello everyone, today I'm back with some new pieces from the fall collection by Sezane, which is absolutely stunning. I'm just so in love with pretty much every single piece I received. So let's just begin, because I have 10 pieces to show you in total. Let's begin with tops and with what I'm wearing today. And this is the Louisa jumper that I'm wearing. I chose this green color. It's actually called Arizona green. It's a blend of several kind of green tones. Just amazing. I just love. The Louisa is basically inspired in this Louise jumper that still exists. It's pretty similar with the exception of the cuffs that in the Louisa are smaller and have just one big button that can actually be opened. Like that. There are also other colors available: pale blue, light beige and in charcoal grey. So charcoal grey, it's a neutral that fits everyone. This sweater is made in a blend of merino wool and super kid mohair. It's soft and very warm. I'm wearing it on my bare skin and I don't think it's itchy at the point that I have to take it off. Just for reference, this sweater was made in Italy and I'm wearing size medium. In my opinion, it's true to size, and if you are tall, don't size down as the sleeves will be too short. I'm wearing this jumper with my new skirt in this chestnut brown, really beautiful. It's also new, but I also styled this jumper as they did on the website with just a simple pair of denim jeans. I just love these French inspired outfits. Very simple, just a simple pair of straight denim jeans, a nice jumper of high quality with pretty details like these ones. You don't see often this kind of sweaters with these pretty details. To kind of complement my outfit and to kind of match the warm tones in the sweater, I opted for my also new ballerinas in this leopard print. Really beautiful, really on trend again this season. I just love the contrast between the green and its analogous color blue. I think they really match together despite being a cool tone and a warm tone. And during winter I will swap this pair of jeans for a really dark denim wash, like an indigo denim wash. Will be very beautiful with this jumper. The leopard print ballerinas are the accent of the outfit and makes all the difference. So, as I said, this is an outfit every French woman wears. Very simple and yet sophisticated for this autumn. Next I have the Emile cardigan, this one here, and this time I went for this burgundy color. So not only this is a classic color, but it's now having a spotlight moment. It's a huge trend since last year. I was hoping that last year Sezane released the Emile in burgundy, but that didn't happen. And so imagine my happiness when this season I saw the Emile, that is my favorite design, in this gorgeous color. Again, it's available in a myriad of colors, so you have plenty to choose from the warmer shades to the cooler shades. There's definitely one for everybody. So back to my burgundy. This is kind of a deep red wine burgundy color. The Emile is made in a blend of alpaca and wool and also polyamide, but it has in total 70% wool, which is, in my opinion, amazing for the price point. It's very, very warm, and if you live in a place where you have cool winters, this will be the perfect cardigan for you. I think it will complement any outfit and they are perfect to layer. Again, it's made also in Italy and I'm wearing size medium. Yes, it is kind of oversized fit, but if I size down, the sleeves are too short for me. So I styled the Emile with my new denim trousers, which I will talk in a minute. The pattern of these trousers have this burgundy houndstooth, and I think this cardigan is the perfect match. To accessorize my outfit, I made this belt out of a scarf. This is also a Sezane scarf, and I used a necklace, a chain necklace, just another way to style my scarves. The scarf has this off-white little pattern, and I think it's perfect to tie with my Milo bag in the same shades. So next I have the Gerry jumper in this chocolate brown, very beautiful. It's actually called Mocha in the website. This design was introduced last season and it was only available in black with gold buttons. It was really beautiful, and this is another 100% merino wool that Sezane added to their collection. Another high quality piece that, if you love merino wool, this is very soft, very comfortable on our skin. This jumper is the really perfect one for these in-between seasons on its own, but I think it can also be styled under a shirt and with a blazer or a jacket on top when the days start to cool down. Just for reference, it's also made in Italy, and once again I went for size medium. With my opinion, again, true to size. It has this slightly raised neckline and this beautiful buttoned placket. Again, unique details that differentiate it from a regular sweater. Since last year, I've been wanting to buy a Samuel vest. I needed a grey sweater, and especially one without the sleeves, because it's perfect to layer under a wool long coat, a puff jacket, any other warm jacket that we wear during winter. It will be very warm without the bulk of the sleeves. The Samuel is made of a blend of baby alpaca, merino wool and also polyamide. It's incredibly soft. Zero itchiness, you can wear it on bare skin with no problem. But I especially like to wear these vests over shirts, and here I'm styling it over my new Tomboy shirt and a pair of barrel leg denim jeans in ecru. For fall I go for a pair of loafers, ballerinas or sneakers, and in winter, when the weather cools down, I just swap for a pair of ankle boots and had a wool long coat or a puffer jacket. So this again is made in Italy, and I went also for size medium. Now, this is nothing new, as the Mia cardigan is around for many years now, but this new color is just gorgeous. I love this camel shade. It's just the perfect neutral shade that goes with everything. The Mia again is also made with kid mohair, and if you don't like this shedding, this fluffiness of the mohair, I just love this fluffiness. I just find it very cozy. It's soft and very comfortable and warm as well. I especially love the long puff sleeves that it has and these beautiful cuff details. Again, one of a kind, distinctive details that do elevate your outfits just by adding this cardigan. So the Mia is made in China, and again I went for size medium. This is also a kindly slightly oversized design. I wanted to style it with my new leather midi skirt. I think these two tones together are just superb. So I tucked in just the front part and left it loose all around for a flawless look. These kind of pencil skirts are a formal element in an outfit, and so I like to also introduce a low heel or a flat pointed toe to make it more casual. So still in the tops category, I also bought the new Tomboy. If you follow me for a while, you know I love Sezane's shirts, and the Tomboy is especially suitable for fall and winter, as is a straight fit, perfect to tuck into trousers or skirts, but also to wear untucked if you want. So this time I went for the blue with these white and camel seam stripes. I just love this pattern. It's really beautiful and goes with lots of everything again. So this shirt is made in 100% organic cotton and it has real mother of pearl buttons. It's made in Portugal and I sized up for a European 40 or US 8, as I like it more looser on my body. So these shirts are great for layering and they are for me a must-have piece in my capsule wardrobe. You already saw it styled under the Samuel vest and now I'm styling it with my leather midi skirt. I just love pairing blue with browns and the seam stripe in the shirt ties everything together really nicely. Moving on to bottoms, I wanted to show you the new Dan trousers. I opted for the multicolored ounce tooth. It's actually very similar to the check one, but mine are darker. Browns, burgundies of dark bottle green that allow you to style these trousers with endless sweaters or endless tops. These trousers are made in 60% wool and other synthetic fibers. The fabric is actually quite soft and they are completely lined like that. Very comfortable, yet the fabric is also soft. It's not itchy, but the lining will give the trousers more structure. These trousers will be way more comfortable to wear and they look quite expensive. I just love the construction of these trousers. They refer to as mid-waist, but as you can see, this is not mid-waist at all. On me, as I have a short torso, these are high-waisted, but I just love the fit. So I also really love these front patch pockets with these buttons. This is really, again, very French, very Parisian. They also have this stitch split at the front and they are a straight leg design. They are very long with an inside leg length of 84 centimeters, a little bit over 33 inches. I'm 5'7" and I need to hem them if I want to wear them with flat shoes. I went for size European 38, US 6. Besides, the website advises you to size down if you are between sizes. I don't agree at all. If I had sized down, they would be too small on me. And just for reference, these trousers are made in Bulgaria. And for the beginning of fall, I'm planning to style them with just a knitted jumper like my new Gerry in chocolate brown and my burgundy Paola Mary Janes. And this is another Parisian inspired look, understated elegance and very old money, nice quality elements and no need for logos. These trousers will also look really good with this Louisa jumper, as they have this more kind of olive green. And now I'm going to talk about the new Magalia skirt that I'm actually wearing in this stunning chestnut color. It's made in lamb leather and lined with a viscose fabric. It's actually softer and more malleable when compared to other skirts that I tried last season from Sezane. So I think it's better quality, no doubt. And you don't have to worry about the smell if it's something that worries you, and this one hasn't this strong smell that usually come with real leather pieces. I think the price tag is pretty decent for such quality, and it's not easy to find real leather items at this price point with the same quality. I also love the straight design and also these seams that it has on the front sides. It's a different design. That perfectly hugs your body. It's very comfortable. In my opinion, this skirt is very flattering on the body. So it closes with an invisible zip and hook at the back, and it has also a slit at the bottom, very discreet, just the perfect slit to just make walking easier. It's 76 centimeters long, around 30 inches for a European size 36. I'm wearing European 38, US 6, so I may say it's true to size, no need to size down. To complement this outfit I went for my new ballerinas in leopard print, and I think the browns in the shoes are the perfect match to the skirt. I have one more skirt to show you, and this is the new Dune midi pleated skirt in, they call it purple once again in the website, but it's definitely not purple. It's again a burgundy, a really beautiful wine color. It closes with a side invisible zip and also with the hook. This skirt is made in 100% polyester and it's not lined. Nonetheless, it's not sheer, so it's 84 centimeters, around 33 inches for size European 36, so US 4, and I went for the European 40, US 8. I sized up as I wanted a larger waistline to kind of sit a little bit down on my torso. Okay, pleated skirts are a classic in every woman's wardrobe, and I just love to wear them for fall and winter, either with ballerinas, Mary Janes, sneakers, and in the cooler seasons with knee-high boots. For now I style it with my Adidas Sambas that have these stripes that matches the color of my skirt. Any sweater or cardigan will complete this outfit, even my Betty cardigan will do. But for these still warm fall days I opted to wear my white Tomboy shirt tied in a knot at the front. So this is a very casual outfit and a way to style down a more classic and elevated piece. Another option is a blue shirt. Burgundy and blue look absolutely stunning together. And that is all for clothing. Now I have a pair of shoes to show you, and these are the Ninon ballerinas in leopard print. So these ballet flats are made in real suede leather in a sacchetto style. For curiosity, sacchetto, it's an Italian technique of making the insole of the shoes that basically means these shoes feel like slippers but look stylish enough to wear outside the house. Very soft insole. They are manufactured in Portugal according to this Italian technique. They are all leather except this outer sole that is made in this rubber. I especially love these two straps with these two gold buckles that are adjustable. I especially love that the heel is 2 centimeters height and thus way more comfortable than plain flat shoes. Also very nice for our spinal column. So this design, in my opinion, is really beautiful, and the leopard print gives them this modern feel. Leopard print acts as a neutral in our wardrobe, so you can style it with everything. And that is all for today. Tell me which one is your favorite piece or pieces. Leave me your comment. I always love to read you. If you want to buy any of these pieces and it's already sold out, add it to your wish list and activate the notifications. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you here for my next videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!